Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I bring you guys a popular user requested live wallpaper and home screen setup. This time for the copy ninja himself, Kakashi. This is going to be another one in my series on how to customize your home screen like a pro. A series where I show you how you can easily and quickly get these stunning minimalistic setups on your Android phones. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out the previous episodes. And following that format, I'm going to show you how you can take a basic home screen setup and turn it into something like this. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. So here he is, Kakashi on the brink of unleashing Chidori. I have to say, this is definitely one of my most favorite setups in the series so far. This setup will be running Nova Launcher using KWGT widgets, and to complete the look, I'll be using the Hex installer for system-wide customization. The link for these and everything else that you're going to need are going to be in the description below. Now as a quick note, if you want that full screen edge to edge look for your home screen setup without those ugly signal bars, then make sure you disable the notification bar within Nova Launcher settings. And to get this spacious minimalistic look and icon layout, make sure to head to Nova's home screen settings and change the grid size to 5 across by 12 down. And to really clean up your home screen, I highly recommend you turn off icon labels as well as disabling your home screen dock. Now that we have that out the way, for this setup, we're actually using two different icon packs. The first of which is the Light Void pack. Just simply head to Nova's look and feel section and set the pack as your system icons. After which, make sure you grab the second icon pack, Red. Now, using Nova, we're going to replace the Light Void's phone icon with the one from the Red icon pack. Just simply long press the app itself, click edit, and then head into the Red pack, and then search for the phone icon. And before we go any further, make sure you grab this unique wallpaper from my very own custom creation app. Just simply head to the live video section and you'll find it there. And remember, if you have any wallpaper suggestions of your own, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Next up, this awesome KWGT widget indicating the date is number 131 from the outline pack. Just simply load it to your home screen and let's head into KWGT to add some color. But first, make sure you adjust the widget size to get something that's suitable for your home screen. For a quick guide on KWGT manipulation, make sure you check out the video in the top right corner. So next, let's head into the widget's groups and change the colors for both the oval shape and the date indicator to red. For this, just head into both items and use their paint tabs as I'm showing here. Next up, indicating the weather, time and battery level is number 73 from the ornate pack. Just simply load it to your home screen and within the stack group, adjust the widget's size and the spacing between the indicators with the margin. And feel free to use the positioning tab to lower the widget to the bottom of your home screen. And as a final note, make sure to head into the time indicator item and increase its size. Now for those of you who want to get even tighter widget placements, make sure to enable the overlapping options within Nova Launcher. And wrapping up this setup, we're using Hex installer. This is going to give you a nice AMOLED friendly black backdrop with the colors of Kakashi splashed across the whole system, including the notification panel. Just use the color codes that I'm showing on screen. And alternatively, you can get a similar result using the app OneShade. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.